Woodworkers' treasure chest refers to a comprehensive system that includes the whole woodworking process, right from the time you conceive an idea to the execution of it. It differs from several programs found on the internet that only give you lots of woodworking plans that you can download. It covers everything you need to craft your favorite woodworking project. The program's main module, Woodworkers Project Wizard, offers steps through the whole process of creating a wood project. It will teach you many more things like how to select related woodworking plans, choosing materials, choosing wood joints, the kind of preparations you need, the type of finish that you will require. The beauty of it all is that you can save your choices for later use or even print them to use a checklist during the building of your project. How does the program work? This is a simple program that shouldn't give you any problems whatsoever. The program has been designed for people who have no clue about woodworking but are hobbyists and like taking on woodworking projects. With this program, all you need to craft projects that your friends and neighbors will be envious of is an ability to read and follow instructions. You need not be an expert at woodworking or a pro. It contains thousands of plans and step-by-step instructions that will enable you to take on any project. For you to be successful in woodworking, you will need more than just plans. Also important is the need for a proven system as well as a trusted and experienced mentor to act as your guide during the duration of the project. This is exactly what Woodworkers' Treasure Chest does. Features of Woodworkers' Treasure Chest. 1. Thousands of ready-to-build projects and digital plans. This section contains all the step-by-step blueprints, detailed plans, and full-color schematics you can ever need. It gives you access to high-quality indoor and outdoor plans, workshop plans, interactive 3D models, exotic designs, craft plans, and much more. And since each plan can be previewed in the database, there is no need wasting time downloading thousands of plans and then choosing one. 2. Woodworkers Project Wizard. This is, by all means, the most important feature of the Woodworkers Treasure Chest. The Project Wizard is simply the program's nerve center. It links to all other program features and ties them together. Project Wizard will hold your hand and leads you on every step of the way right from the beginning up to the end. 3. Interactive 3-dimensional woodworking plans. Have you been thinking of how to take advantage of the latest technology in enhancing your skills while not downloading complicated software programs? If you have, then you will like the interactive 3D plans feature of this program. This allows you to start applying technology to create sophisticated projects. Each of the 3D plans in the Woodworker's Treasure Chest can be animated and then viewed at just about any angle. You can also have close-ups of the image by just moving the mouse over the plan. This ensures that you have a real picture of what your final project will be before you start building it. 4. Fully featured Woodworkers Interactive Calculator app. Do you struggle with measurements? Are you poor in math and have a problem dealing with calculations of fractions of inches? No problem. With this Woodworkers calculator, you don't have to be good at math. The app simulates a 25-foot ruler and has both imperial measurements on the scale as well as metric measurements. This highly accurate calculator takes the guesswork out of woodworking. 5. Step-by-step woodworking video tutorials. The easiest and the fastest way to improve your woodworking is by watching an expert at work and after that applying what you learned in your projects. With step-by-step video demos by veterans with tons of years of experience, you won't have to ask anyone anything. It's all there in crisp videos that make it self-explanatory. Finally, you won't have to search for online information anymore as everything you may need is right here in the Woodworker's Treasure Chest. 6. Home repairs and safety practices. The program includes hundreds of other extras about home repair that will help you handle common repairs around the home. Not all repairs at home need you to call someone, and this section helps you to handle any such project with confidence.